In the late 18th century, after 3 series of partitions, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth ceased to exist. Alexander I considered the project of uniting all Polish territories under his scepter, but chose not to spoil relations with Prussia. Poles hoped that Napoleon would help restore the Great Poland from sea to sea. He supported the enthusiasm of the Polish patriots, but saw Poland only as a springboard for his army in Eastern Europe. Having defeated Prussia, he created the dependent Duchy of Warsaw from country's Polish territories. Alexander understood that the next step would be the annexation of the western provinces of Russia, and war became inevitable. But Napoleon's plan to end the Second Polish Campaign with a couple of border battles failed. At the Vienna Congress, most of the Warsaw Duchy went to Russia. The Polish Republic gained independence only after the death of 3 empires in the First World War.